welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And on our continuing quest into the ink neighborhood, we have a new product we'd like to introduce you to called Platinum Carbon Black Ink. And this one is getting raves all around the office here. I love it a lot too, and I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about it. This is a new pickup for us. This is a really unique pigment-based instead of dye-based ink. Now, you get a silky smooth, amazing jet black with this. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Got some multimedia paper here from Strathmore. But I'm going to show you a little bit about like how beautifully this stuff lays down. I got brushes a little bit too wet here, but you can see how like jet black this is, and how just deep and dark and rich it is. Now, when you load this into like a fountain pen or something like that, you can expect that because this is pigment based, that there are some particles that will cause this to clog a pen over time. So it is recommended that if you're not going to use the pen again within a week, that you clean it, and that every 4 weeks or so you go ahead and clean the pen out completely anyway, just because the little particles from the pigment can cause little problems. But I wanted to show you this. We have like a little glass pen here. I'm going to charge this up with some ink, so you get to see how just precise and beautiful this line is. We are going to have it in 2 formats. This is available in a 60cc glass jar, or we're going to have carbon ink cartridges and then these pens. So we have a really nice kind of like brush pen that is really wonderful. We've liked playing with and really like the performance of it. It's lasted a long time considering how many people have been messing around with this thing. And we really are excited about the addition of this new product. All of the inks and new stuff that we have coming in, this one is the one that everybody just keeps on talking about. So we want you to be as excited about it as we are. Make sure to take a look at some Platinum Carbon Black Ink. It is absolutely fantastic. We know you're going to be impressed and that you'll enjoy.